How to add DNAKE IP Intercom to DNAKE Smart Pro phone application. Before adding the device to the DNAKE Smart Pro app, please contact us to create your DNAKE cloud platform. Then you need to add the devices to your DNAKE cloud platform. Now install the DNAKE Smart Pro app on your phone. Go to DNAKE Indoor Monitor main screen and select QR code icon. Now open the app and from the top right side, select the QR code icon. Now scan the QR code from the indoor monitor. Now input your email address and insert the verification code which is sent to your email address. Click on Register. Type in your desired name and password and save it. Now the device is added to the app. By selecting the camera, you can see the live view from outdoor station. Thank you for watching this video.